Hello folks, welcome to my session on how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So let A is equal to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. It's a 3 by 3 matrix, means it has 3 rows and 3 columns. So finding the determinant of the same, determinant A is equal to, it will be denoted like this, determinant between two lines. So finding the determinant of the particular thing, you have to find the values of A1, B1 and C1. So let's start with A1. This is the A1 value. So for taking the A, when you take the A1, you have to ignore this first column and the first row. So for that, I will use two strips. So you can just close it by like this and by like this. So what is remaining? B2 C2 and B3 C3. So I will put A1 determinant of B2 C2 B3 C3. Similarly, the next thing is the B1. So before making the B1, we have to put the minus sign. The sign will be minus then. Then B1 determinant of, we have to close this row. Yeah, like this we have to close both. The what we will get? A2 C2 A3 C3. Then the next sign will be plus, and the next one we are going to find out is the C1 is equal to C1 determinant of, we have to close this row. Similarly this column, it will be A2 B2 A3 B3. So finding out the same is equal to, I'll show first one actually. So we have to put A1 into, we have to cross multiply the things, like we have to multiply diagonally, like B2 into C3, the sign will be minus, and B3 into C2. Similarly here also A2 into C3, A3 into C2, A2 into B3, A3 into B2. The sign will be minus, so we will be getting the answer. So for more clarity, I will start explaining with an example that will be more suitable for you. So let's take matrix A is equal to 3 2 1 5 4 9 8 7 6. This is took randomly. So the first thing we have to do now is finding the determinant. Therefore the determinant A is equal to, what will be the first section? First value you have to find is a 3. So it will be is equal to 3 determinant of, the same thing we have to do. Now really earlier we have closed up the things. One second, sorry. So 3 for finding, we have to close this row as well as this column. So it will be like 4976. 4976. What will be the next sign? Next sign will be, here we have shown minus will be the next sign, and the second thing is the 2. So 2 into determinant of, we have to close this row as well as this column. So what is remaining? 5986. 5986. So what is the next value? It is plus. So I'll put plus here. What is the third value of us? It's 1. So we'll put 1 determinant of, we'll be closing this row as well as this column. So what is the matrix remaining? 5 4 8 7. Put 5 4 87. So let's calculate it. So first thing we have to do is 3 we have taken here. We have to diagonally multiply. Like here I have shown. Like 4 into 6. The sign will be minus, and 9 into 7. Similarly, what is the next sign? Next sign will be minus. Value is 2 into diagonal multiplication. 5 into 6, 9 into 8. 5 into 6 minus 9 into 8. The next sign is plus. Value is 1. 1 into 5 into 7 minus 8 into 4. So is equal to 3 into 4 into 6, 24, minus 9 into 7 is equal to 63, minus 2 into 5 into 6, 30, minus 9 into 8, 72, plus 1 into 5 into 7, 35, minus 4 into 8, 32. So it will come, answer will be 3 into 24 minus 63. So it will be minus 39, because the sign is minus, bigger value 63. So minus 39 will be coming here. Then minus 2 into 30 minus 72. This is also the minus sign, so minus 42 will be here, plus 1 into 35 minus 32. It will be 3. So is equal to 39 into 3. The answer will be minus 117, because it's a minus sign. Plus into minus, it will be minus. Minus 2 into minus 42. So it will be minus into minus is equal to plus. We know that. So 42 minus 42 into minus 2 is equal to plus 84, plus 1 into 3 is 3. So the answer will be 117 minus 84, 117 plus 84 plus 3. 84 plus 3 will be 87. So 117 minus 87 is equal to 30. Therefore, determinant of A is 30. So this is the method of finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. I hope this session helped you to understand the basic of the topic, and I think this is quite helpful for everybody. And if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you so much. Bye bye.